Today I'll be making ground chicken meatballs for spaghetti. So these are 1 pound bags and I have 2. I will be using 1 whole chopped onion. And by the way, preheat your oven to 375 and you'll be cooking these 30 to 35 minutes depending on your oven and depending how crispy you want them. Maybe longer, maybe less. So after the diced onion, this was a large diced onion, and these are seasonings I will be using. No measurements, so don't come in the comments how much did you use. I'll show you what I used. Rattlesnake, garlic and onion, wood fire garlic, all purpose. And since I don't have breadcrumbs, unfed starter. So let's get the chicken in here. And there we go. Let's do the other one. So in go my seasonings. I have some garlic, healthy amount. We love garlic. The whole onion. Don't be shy. Rattlesnake bite. Just this is just for a little heat, flavor. Garlic and onion. Got this at Sam's. Wood fire garlic. All purpose. And nice unfed starter. I need this as a binder. Because the chicken is tender. So that going. And then we mix. As I was mixing, I noticed that the chicken was still soft, so I ended up crushing a sleeve of crackers to get it a little bit more binded. So it does better. So, but now when you scoop them out, they look like this. Let me finish and I'll show you everything. Here's how they are when you get it this. You scoop them out. Now I'll be putting them in the oven and I'll see you guys right back. They just came out of the oven and that's how they look like. So I may not use all of them, so or probably freeze them. And so, but I have one here, and I cut it open so you can see the inside. And I'll try one for you, just to see how they came out. Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. The seasonings are to your preference, to your taste. You can add or omit whatever I used, or use your own ingredients. So I'll let these cool off, and I'll prepare the spaghetti. But always remember, Jesus loves you. Now go make someone smile, even if that someone is you. Have a blessed day.